All right, guys, I want to show you a diagonal arpeggio exercise that will be very, very useful to your scalar structure or to your general bass playing. Like I said, it's just an exercise that you can just apply. You can apply it anywhere. So without wasting time, don't forget, practice it very slow. Very, very slow. Speed comes in time. So on the key of C, without wasting time, let me play it through and I will break it down. I'll play it again. You can make it reoccurring slowly. So let me break it down. Now, on your fifth string, you have 3, 4, mi, fa. Like I said, we're on the key of C. This is your do. So we have 3, 4, mi, fa. On your fourth string, we have 6, 1, la, do. You now go down to your third string, mi, fa, 3, 4. Go down to your second string, 6, 1, la, do. Then you go to your last, string, 3, 4, 5. Then you start to descend. Then you have 7, which is T. Then, but this time, this finger will not be done to play the do. So this hands will be free to play the next. 3 again, 5. Then 7. Don't forget your little finger, do. Then mi. Did you get that? So let's go again slowly. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 4, finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 4, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 1, finger 4, finger 1, finger 4, finger 1, finger 4, finger 1. So everything is like this. I know you learned something today. You learned something. I know. If you are learning something from this page or from this channel and you are not subscribing, you are not doing the best. Please press the subscribe button. Okay, share, like, comment. God bless you. Bye.